and more water is added, the water needs to be removed, drainage can be activated. In this particular lake, back in time, you were able to go ice skating in the winter, and in the summers you can go rowboating. One of the cheaper things that you can enjoy in New York. It's $15 an hour, with $20 down and $4 for every 15 minutes that you go over your time. It's a tradition that's been here since the park first opened in the 1870s. Well, really, it took 15 years to build Central Park. 15 years, and the first thing that opened was this body of water over here. It's called the lake, one of 7 bodies of water total. Okay.
I got it open.
And you got it open. There you go. Now you know what's inside. The material that will become a tree later on.
Meska, do you know where the boats were?
Where they saw a special bird, or maybe the show where they sprayed.
We're going to go over one of the many bridges in Central Park. We have a total of 36 big bridges. This one is one of the smaller ones. It's not counted in those 36. But as you can see, it's made out of wood. This wood is very special in the sense that it's very long lasting. It resists very well weather changes and lasts a very long time. This is called black locust wood. You know, we even have the tree in Central Park, a tree called dogwood, that is believed to be the tree that was used to make the wood that was used to sacrifice Jesus Christ 2,000 years ago. Very hard wood. Different types of wood will give you, have different hardness and softness. One of the hardest types of wood is black locust. We're going to see how the tree itself looks. Notice the body of water. You would think that this is natural. However, this is a man-made body of water.
Wow.
The water that you see on it is actually
Never heard of that
water.
before.
This is completely built. Let's keep walking. We're going to see a very interesting tree next. This one will show you how to
Interesting. Wow.
哎，那个你还记得那个松比那个呢？他也很喜欢很多树的。
Let him go.
Mom says I can pick up stuff from the ground or whatever.
He's already thrown that.